Welcome to the next Shatterproof archery video. Today I'm going to show you how to put a calf hair arrow rest on a traditional bow. Let's get to the point. When shooting with a traditional archery bow, sometimes the arrow rest can wear out. In that case, you might want to put a new calf hair arrow rest on. Today I'm going to show you how to put our Shatterproof archery calf hair arrow rest. Now, one of the things about our arrow rest is that it's directional, so the calf hair runs in a specific direction, ideally, well, always in the direction that the arrow is going to be shot. So we have right and left, depending on if you're a right-handed archer or a left-handed archer. These right here are peel and stick arrow rest, and we're gonna put it on our, well, you might have heard the rumors, our Shatterproof archery bow. They're coming out here in like a week, so keep your eye open for that if you want it. These are cut to a general size so that it'll fit most bows, but as you'll notice, it's going to be over a little bit in size. So we're gonna wanna trim it to size before we slap it on. That makes it much easier. I'm gonna lay the felt on, and then in order to get close, I'm gonna trace it with a Sharpie without marking the bow, unless you want to, but quite easy, like that. We've got the felt marked where we want it. I like to take some nice little sharp scissors and cut it down to size. Now that's going to fit our arrow rest real nice. With these arrow rests, they're just peel and stick. So peel off the backer, stick it on. Just add a little pressure so it holds, and it should be good right there. This second piece, you want to line it up directionally with the arrow. So I'm going to figure out which way the felt goes, where the grain runs in the direction the arrow is going to shoot. And on this one, it'll be like that. I'm going to leave a tiny little gap right in between here, and that's where the fletching is going to run. Fletching is going to go right through that gap right there where the wood is. If you leave a gap there, it'll last a little longer because the fletching won't be knocking off the calf hairs. That's why the directional calf hair is real important. If you're hunting, this is my preferred method because it makes no noise. If you use a plastic or a metal arrow rest, you can sometimes hear on your drawback. Here you're going to be completely silent, mostly silent on the drawback, and the release. Real calf hair like this lasts quite a long time, so you don't have to replace it every few shots. You get thousands and then you'll need to replace it, but lasts plenty long. One more thing to keep in mind, a lot of manufacturers will round over this part of the arrow rest, but they'll also round this part of the rest as well. So there's very little friction, like this bow that we've made. So it kind of goes unsaid, but just put the felt right where the center is of the round, and that'll give you the best results. That's how you put calf hair arrow rest on. We have these on shatterproofarchery.com, and so if you want some, we sell them in 1, 3, 5 packs, whatever you need. Check out the store if you're interested. Also, if you're interested in Shatterproof archery bows, stick around by subscribing, or you can go to the website on our bows tab, subscribe to an email list there. You'll be notified about when these go live. I'm pumped. I hope you're pumped. See you later.
You should act like you're pumped.
Do I not seem pumped? Are you pumped?
I'm so pumped.
Let's go! Stay Shatterproof, my friends.